I'd like to show you a quick and easy way how to install the Citrix Workspace app for ChromeOS. Just go to Google, type in CWA ChromeOS, scroll down to this Citrix article where it says install. And then we have the ID here already, but we can go to backup and early access release builds. And then they're here in clear text. We can copy the first one. When we switch to our Google admin console to manage our ChromeOS devices, I'm here in 1OU, managed guest sessions, and we go on plus and add Chrome app or extension by ID. Paste that in there, save. And here it is already. So Citrix Workspace app, force install. You should pin that to the taskbar as well. Can do version pinning for bigger deployments, that's recommended. And why do we have to do this? So this is a Chrome app. As it says here, support for ChromeOS will start phasing out in July 2025. So that's long gone. Citrix Workspace app and also the Horizon client for ChromeOS have extensions on that because they're big enterprise deployments. And therefore, we can't see any Chrome apps anymore. We have to add them manually.